this is Nerf Kevin. Today I'm going to be doing the shooting test of the Nerf gun that I got in 2013. And here's the Nerf gun. Here, Nerf Rapid Strike CS18, Nerf Rampage, Nerf Deploy, the Nerf Elite Strong Arm, and the smallest one, the Nerf Night Finder. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna be shooting the Nerf Night Finder. So I'm gonna be shooting that Ben 10 back. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Load. Okay. And let's split. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot the Nerf Elite Strong Arm. So here we go. Load. Boom. Load. Bam. Wow, that's a good shot. Bam. Now let's split. Bam. Now I'm gonna shoot the Nerf Deploy. So insert the clip in. Okay, I'm gonna keep shooting that bag. You can aim with the scope here. You can see that if you didn't see that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be aiming at that bag. 1, 2, 3. Load. That one. Think. Yeah, no more. So now I'm gonna be shooting the Nerf Rampage here. So cock it back. So the clip in. And shooting it. You could do a rapid fire with this, which I'm gonna be doing that right now. So hook it back, hold the trigger, and okay, I'm out. Now I'm gonna do the Nerf Rapid Strike CS18. So just simply need to cock it back. There's no handle. Just insert this in, and you're ready to fire. Okay, I'm gonna shoot that back. Sorry, button, and oh, it jams. Yeah, you know, it jams. So what to do when this gun jams? Here, I'll show you it. You just pull this back and just do it ever. Just put the darts in, close the jam door, and insert this back. Then you're ready to shoot this gun again. I think my gun must load trying the motor if it works first, so it'll work way better. So I'm gonna be shooting it. I hope it works now. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Okay, and now I'm gonna do a red fire. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, I'm out of ammo. So this has been the end of the video. I hope you guys